One of our newest items is the SafeView brand of smart power inlets. These power inlets can be used as direct OEM universal replacement power inlets for both RVs or boats. They are ETL certified. While they are replacement power inlets, they are unique and have many special features. They have a patent-pending design with LED lights that indicate either a good or bad wiring connection. The RVIA recently passed a requirement that requires any new RV built with a device that can alert the user of an open ground or reverse polarity. Our unit can detect both of these things. It can detect an open ground as well as a reverse polarity. So it features LED indicator lights that are solid green when there's no fault that's detected. You'll have a solid white perimeter light that lets you know that the conditions are good. If a fault is detected or present, the indicator will indicate which fault is detected, and the side light here will glow a red blinking light.